Okay, so I just wanted to show you this stringer here. Okay, so I cut it out, and I want it to butt up against here, and I want to put this board on here so it comes up here right with the deck there. Okay, so that's why I wanted 11¼ inches, because I wanted the gap, the two boards, and then overhanging a little bit, enough to where I could put another fascia board under there. Okay, and I did the same thing here. So I got it all laid out like I want it. You might be wondering why this is here. I think it's called like a kick plate, or I don't know. But basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut out a notch for that 2x4 in here. Then I'm gonna put this, measure where it's supposed to go, so it'll go right into that notch. So basically the stair can't kick out. Over use and time, I don't know if it might help wear away at the thing that's holding it. I'm gonna use a Simpson ties, I believe, but it's just to prevent it from like basically kicking out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill into the concrete, drill into this, and then bolt this board to the concrete, and then we'll, after we cut out our stringers, we'll screw the stringers into this piece of pressure treated, and that'll keep the stairs from kicking out over time, or you know. So we are going, once I've got this right and it's all done, looks good, I'm gonna go ahead and cut. What I did was take this stringer and I just put it on the board here, and then you can see, so it's still old markings from my screw up. So we just took the stringer, put it on there, and then just traced around it. And then I did another one right here, so I can get 3 out of each board, and I need 8, so that's perfect. I'll have a little bit extra left over. So then you just cut out these stringers, and when you use your first one as a template, you want to make sure you cut kind of on the inside of the mark right here, because it's not, obviously it's not right up against it, so you might want to make sure the line disappears completely. That way, otherwise your boards will be a little bit bigger than your template. But really, it's that simple. Once you get the first one and you know what you want, then just lay it out on your board and just trace it. And I butted my ends right up to the next piece, so when I cut it, I don't have to make that extra cut and stuff. But yeah, it's really that simple. So we got our stringer, and we're just gonna make a bunch of duplicates, and then we're gonna lay them out here. It's gonna go along here. Like I said, I'm using 8 of them. I tend to overbuild, so we're gonna attach them to the deck with some Simpson stringer tie things. I don't know, whatever that box says. There's a box on them, and that's what they're for, is for putting stringers on decks. So we'll attach it to the deck there, and then we'll do the kick plate part. I guess that's the right word, I'm not even sure, but it works. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna cut out the rest of our stringers,